What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna veganize pastelon dish and take it to my brother and my sister, guys. My brother and my sister did not know, and this is their native dish, which is a Puerto Rican dish, guys, and they are not vegans. So I can't wait. They have no clue how this tastes. They don't even know what I'm bringing them. The last time I saw my brother, I gave him a Philly cheesesteak, which I did not make for you guys yet. Alright, come on, don't kill me yet. Alright, I'm gonna make it. I'm just real busy. Plus, I have 2 YouTube channels, guys, and definitely check out my vegan kitties. This is uncut. I didn't tell them what to say, guys. This is their actual reaction. So let's see how I did. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. This right here is my brother. Now this is my sister.
That's what I said about the Philly cheesesteak you bought me the other day.
Yeah,
Wait,
you got everything in there.
It tastes like there's ground meat in here. Amazing. Oh my damn. Why you do me like that?
if you people were here, you have no clue what this tastes like. I could barely talk.
I really like it. I really like it.
Guys, you see it for yourself.
Never would have thought I'd be eating vegan. The heat and the sweet, they both complement each other. It's really good. Really, really good.
Those are really good and nice and sweet.
I was like, we was over here like, yo, I'm hungry. We waiting for Abdul.
Try vegan because I wanted to lose some pounds. And the cookies are made.
If you want to lose weight, this is the way to go. And it's not like you're missing any.
You can see it for yourself. I'm not playing no.
I can't say more. It's really good. It's really good.
I guess I don't know why I haven't gone vegan earlier. Because going vegan, there's ways of doing it the right way where you're not missing nothing.
This is amazing. I'm telling you, this is like if I ate with ground meat in it.
It's like you're not even eating vegan food. Amazing.
Guys, as you can see, they loved it and they have been veganized. I appreciate you guys for staying to the end. Don't forget, hit the like button, swing on that bell, smash on that subscribe button. Peace.